Let's take a look at this recipe. The first 4 ingredients will act as our egg replacer. There is also some decorating items to choose from. This recipe also calls for a piping bag with a large round tip. It's also important to make sure the vegan butter is nice and soft for this recipe. Let's start by combining the first 4 ingredients. In a bowl, add in oil, flour, water, and baking powder. Stir to combine and set aside. Make sure you are using a large enough bowl because it will expand. Next, we're going to cream the butter, sugar, and vanilla with a hand mixer. Now add in the egg replacer and mix again. Now sift in the flour, 1 cup at a time. Mix again to incorporate all the flour. The dough should be soft and slightly sticky. Now it's time to pipe the cookies. I am using a reusable piping bag with a large tip, but if you don't have a tip, that's okay. It will still work. Scoop some dough into the piping bag. Press the dough down towards the tip. Now you get creative and pipe whatever shapes you like. I'm starting out with an S-shaped design first. Next, I'm just going to pipe some circles. Continue with the remaining dough. Bake 12 to 15 minutes, and remember to cool completely before taking them off the baking sheet. Now it's time to decorate if you wish. I will be using melted chocolate, shredded coconut, and sprinkles. I'm using a piping bag here, but you can also just drizzle melted chocolate across with a spoon. Repeat with the remaining cookies. Once you're done decorating, refrigerate the cookies until the chocolate firms up. Store the cookies at room temperature or freeze. Don't forget to post your pictures in the Facebook group page. This is a great place to ask questions from me or fellow students.